ang labi niya ay dinala na dito sa Metro Manila, nasa Quezon City ata ang himlayan niya. Outside of that, the results of the DNA case is yet to be released, but the fingerprints and the fingerprints match, her pictures match. The problem was that the old photos and the new ones may discrepancy contact kasi we think that there was plastic surgery done beforehand. And so medyo magkaiba eh. But otherwise, all the biometric features show that it is her with great degree of certainty. The postmortem examination showed extensive facial injuries on the right side of her face, extensive injuries on the rear of her skull, extensive injuries to her the right side of her rib cage and her hands. It shows a forward motion drop from the tip. Also, it shows it is usual in jump cases of suicide attempts or when they jump that they take off their shoes. And it was apparent in that moment, I think her shoes were separate from the body, na tinanggal niya talaga sapatos niya bago siya tumakbo. At tumalon. So it shows the psychological patterns of a jump suicide. The cause of death was not drug related. It was not caused. It was caused by a fall, and no embalming process can change the evidence present. It is ruled out that there was a third party involved in the incident outside of the driver and the Yusek Cabral.